Main question number 5, exercise 1.2, sub question 1. Find the number of terms. So we have to find out n value here. A is given. This is A. D we can find out using A2 minus A1. And an last term is also known. So we need to find n. Let us start with things that we know first. A is equal to 7. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 13. A1 is 7. So 13 minus 7, which is equal to 6. So we got D value here. Now we also know AN value. AN is equal to 205. 205. Using the AN formula, we can find out n value. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN value 205, which is equal to A, which is 7, plus n minus 1 into D, which is 6. Plus 7 comes to the other side, becomes minus 7. So 205 minus 7, which is equal to n minus 1. Let me remind you once more. You could actually multiply 6 using distributive property and then take the constant other side. That's fine. But here I am just saving it for the next step. 205 minus 7 is equal to 198, which is equal to n minus 1 into 6. This 6, I get it to the other side, becomes divided by 6. So 198 upon 6 is equal to n minus 1. Let us simplify that. 6 1s are 6 3s are 18, 1 remaining, again 6 3s are 18, 33. So n minus 1 is 33. If n minus 1 is 33, what is n? Take minus 1 to the other side, you get plus 1. So n is equal to 33 plus 1. That is, n is equal to 34. Hence the answer. Question number 2 for main question number 5, exercise 1.2. So again, we have to find out n. N value is unknown. We know A, we know an, the last term. D we can find out by using A2 minus A1 formula. Now, so let us write what we know. A is equal to 18. D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is 15 and half. 15 and half minus 18. So let us simplify that. 15 and half. When I convert into mixed fraction, that becomes 15 to the 30 plus 1, 31 upon 2 minus 18 is not written as fraction, so let us write it in the form of a fraction. 18 upon 1. Further simplification, we know the step. 31 into 1 is 31 minus 18 twos are 36 upon 2. 31 minus 36, one is positive, one is negative, so obviously we have to subtract. So when you subtract, you get 5, bigger number sign, minus 5 upon 2. Now that is the D value. And AN value, of course, we know AN is equal to minus 47. So using these values, let us go for the formula, that is AN formula, and find out n value. The AN formula to find out n value, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where AN is minus 47, which is equal to A, which is 18, plus n minus 1 into D, which is minus 5 upon 2. Now, plus 18 comes to the other side, becomes minus 18. So, minus 47 minus 18, which is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 upon 2. Here minus 47, minus 18, both are negative, so we add them and it becomes minus 65. Minus 65 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 upon 2. Here minus 5 is multiplied to n minus 5 actually. So minus 5 when it comes to the other side becomes divided by minus 5. So don't get confused with, normally in addition when minus 5 is there, it comes to the other side, it becomes plus 5. During transposition, the sign changes. Here, we are applying the multiplicative inverse, both sides. So, minus 5 remains as minus 5 when it comes this side. Product minus 5 upon 2 when it comes to the other side, the minus 5 will become denominator and the denominator 2 will become numerator. The reciprocal it will become, but sign will not change because this is product and not addition. If it was addition, minus would have become plus, but here actually it is multiplication. So due to that, multiplicative inverse will be multiplied on both sides. So this is minus 65. Okay, minus 5 by 2 becomes minus 2 by 5. This is one particular thing that most of the students do some small errors. They confuse it as minus 5 by 2 comes this side, becomes plus 5 by 2. No, it's a product, so sign will not change. That is equal to n minus 1. Minus into minus, plus. 5 ones are, so minus gets cancelled, I can say minus into minus plus. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So we have 13 into 2, that is 26 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 comes to the other side, becomes plus 1. I'll just extend here. 26 plus 1 is equal to n. That is, n is equal to 27. Hence the answer.